I'm going to share with you how I trimmed out this plantation shutter here. So if you have a window that's got no trim on it, basically trimless, so what the builders do is they just finish this with sheetrock on both sides. So when I brainstormed with the guy at Rockler, very nice person, Dan over at Rockler, Richardson, Texas, what he suggested I do is that I put a piece of 1x4 here and screw it into the wall and make sure that it's really level. If you can see here, I have a little bit of a shim in here because this wall was not level, so this is perfectly level now with the shim here, and then install the shutter too, and the same goes for the top there. So you have another piece of 1x4, and one thing you may have to do is basically, depending on what you got going in here, you may have a sensor for the window, so you may have to make out a cutout for that. And I'm going to show you how I plan to finish this out. Is basically, I'm going to redo this and make this level with the wall. Right now it's not perfectly level. So what I'm going to do is I made this piece of decorative molding, which I have a video on how I made it. It's going to be at the end of this video. So this trim here is going to cover that piece of 1x4, and I'm going to have the same kind of trim on the other side. And I made this header which is going to sit on the top. So there's a really good tutorial on YouTube on how to trim a Craftsman window. You can watch that. I just copied the exact same design. So this is a piece of 1/2 inch stock. This up here is a piece of 3/4 inch stock, and this is a cove molding that I made using a cove router bit. And this here is just a piece of 1x5 using my planer. So this is all from basswood. So my plan is to just stain the shutter, and I think it's going to look really good. Hope this helped you on how I trimmed out this plantation shutter. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below.